Hey Joes, we're doing the 3 box break part 2. Team draw 9:05:57 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Teams now. Going 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Random is complete, and the teams are Grant McDonald, Jazz, Ashley O'Keefe, Wolves, Thomas Kidman, Clippers, Simon, Pistons, Martin, Hornets, Carlos, Pelicans, John Wells, Knicks, Kelberg, Spurs, Kane with the Bulls, Ashley with the Heat, Zach with the Sixers, Mendoza with the Wizards, Donny with the Nets, Hill with the Warriors, Wells with the Bucks, Timothy Price, Raptors, Maddie with the Thunder, Shane Scott, Hawks, Andrew Hewitt, Lakers, Anthony from the Nuggets, Kelberg, Grizz, Alistair, Rockets, Benny with the Blazers, Clyde with the Pacers, Jared David, Celtics, Jason, Mavericks, Chaz with the Cavs, Martin Navarro with the Magic, Mr. Wayne with the Suns, and Jay with the Kings. And that is the teams. I'll put them up now. That's it.